This is a repair for a cylinder 3 misfire on a 2011 Nissan Juke. And so the first thing we'll do is we'll pop this cover off, which I've already done that. And it sits in these 3 holes right here. Sorry, 4 holes, and pop that off. It's a transverse motor inline 4-cylinder. The front of it, where the belts and pulleys are and where the harmonic balancer is on the crankshaft, that's the front of the motor, and it's cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4 in that order. And so we're going to change out the coil on cylinder 3. So there's a 10mm bolt right there. So electric ratchets, whenever you can use them, are handy. So we'll remove that 10mm bolt right there, and then there's 2 of them. There's one down there as well, I just noticed. And then we'll take this off right here. So we'll get a pair of pliers, clamp that, push that out of the way, and then we can get to cylinder 3 right there and pull that coil out. So once we have this out of the way, so pinch that, I just used a pair of needle nose pliers, and we can move this off to the side here. And then we get this out of the way right here. And there's where the 2 10mm bolts are. Then that's cylinder 3, so we take a 10mm there, we unclip it right here, and then we put the new coil in. When we put the new coil in and you clip that, make sure it clips, and then make sure you pull on it to make sure that it's got a solid connection there. So once you pull this up and you can unclip it, it's just a pinch clip. You just pinch and pull out right there, and you take the old coil out. And then we have a brand new coil that we're going to put in there. So we'll get that down in there. Push it down, make sure it's tight. And then when you tighten that 10mm bolt, just kind of get it snug, and then just about a quarter turn is good. And then you'll clip this on here. And make sure that it snaps in place there. And you should not be able to pull that off with your hand. So that way you know it's clipped solid. So we'll put that bolt in, put everything back together, and check it. So now the new coil is in place. That's clipped. We made sure it's tight. So then we will go ahead and put this back with the 2 bolts there. So basically just do everything in reverse, and then put this back, clamp it, and then clear the codes out, and that should do the trick. So hopefully that's helpful.